Hey guys, I am back. Let's see. I don't know which sign this is yet that I'm doing this reading for because I have all of the zodiac signs in a basket and I'm picking them out for each one, and I'm not looking yet, so I will reveal that shortly. Just doing that so that I'm not emotionally attached to the specific sign. It's just easier for me that way. So let's get started. Okay, so I am seeing that you are moving from this place where you had some goals and some ideas that you've been sitting on for quite some time. I feel like this has been a back and forth battle with you, where there's things that you wanted to do. You know, there's passions that you wanted to explore, there's paths that you wanted to explore, something that's really important to you, and you may have felt in the past that no matter how much work you put in, nothing seemed to become of it. Like you'd get a couple steps forward and then like 3 steps back, and you're just going, you felt like you're just going back and forth. And this could be something that's been going on for years for some of you, right? Now, through the process, though, you've went from this Page of Cups to this Empress. The Empress, she's a goddess. She's somebody who creates and she calls in those things that she wants, and she's able to help and lead other people and make the best of what she has, and she has resources. She's able to navigate her emotions. But I feel like through the process, you've went through some rough times, but in that process, you've realized what your values are. You realize what's really important to you. And you've put down a lot of things that were blocking this path. You've transmuted a lot of different energies that would keep you from your true path here. And now you're more open to creating something. And you had a lot of fear in the past. You had a lot of fear because you heard a lot of different voices. You didn't feel like you were good enough to go forward. You were very afraid, and a lot of times was judging yourself off of what you thought other people were thinking of you, or judging yourself off of your past, or what you perceive as mistakes. But now you're understanding that those mistakes and the things that you've been through have given you the foundation to be able to move forward. So because of this now, you're able to play and create. You're able to trust yourself more. There's going to be a lot of positive movement forward now. You're working at this thing. Whatever this is, you're working at it. Of course, there is, a lot of different things coming at you. I feel like you're probably really a busy person. Let's see who this is. Hold on. Let's see who this is. I'm curious. It's Taurus. Hi, Taurus. Hi, guys. I love you, Tauruses. My brother's a Taurus, and I dated a Taurus who was awesome. So I feel like you've had a lot of different things coming at you. You've been really busy and had to spread your energies in so many different places. And that's probably a lot of the reason why you felt like you're taking a few steps forward and then even more steps back, is because you've had to balance out energies. You've had to balance out different opinions, different emotions, where all these different people needed you and were grabbing at your energy. You've had to balance all this out while trying to create something of your own. But now you are learning how to have more of a balance with that, and you're learning what to put down, what you don't need to really, you're learning that some of these things that you were doing for people aren't necessary at this point. And You were spreading your energy too thin. And so now you're putting more time into yourself. You're finding your zen, right? And this is allowing you to live by your own values, your own rules. It's allowing you to really take care of yourself. And because of this, you're able to put that energy and that time into what you really want to put it into. And guess what? You're going to get a lot of recognition and rewards for this, guys. You're going to get a lot of public recognition or recognition at your job, maybe from your family. People are going to really start to see that the things that you've been putting time and energy into, how important that was to you and how that's benefiting your life. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is like good stuff, guys. Now with your love life, what I'm seeing is that there's somebody that you've been thinking about, somebody from your past that you could have even possibly have been dreaming about lately. And I feel like this person, you and this person go way back. For some of you, there's some things that you want to say to this person. There's some things that you want to get off your chest, and it's been a long time coming. And what's happening right now is that what's been happening in your life is creating space for this moment to happen between the two of you. I don't know if it's going to happen this month, but I feel like you are aligning for that right now. You are more focused on your money, your pentacles, because there's a lot of pentacles going on right here. You're more focused on career and your practical world right now. And I feel like that's a beautiful thing. That's where the focus should be. But in the process, you're creating this space for you, because now that you've cleared up all this space, or and if you haven't cleared it up, you're going to be clearing it up very soon here. It's going to leave a space for you to have this moment with this person where you're going to be able to express yourself and get some things off your chest, you know, and clear some misunderstandings up with a particular person in your love life, okay? So that's what I have for you, Taurus, and I will talk to you soon. If you'd like to take a deeper look into this, you can book a reading with me. The information is down below, and I'll talk to you soon.